This question is obviously about quadratic function. That means a parabola is that open upward, open downward, something like that. And then they give you a quadratic function, but it's impossible for you to know about the characteristic of this kind of graph because it's not our standard format yet. That's why we are going to rewrite it. One of the feasible format is standard form, so we just expand it and then we know how many x squared, how many x, how many constant. So 3 times x plus 2 is negative x squared, and then plus 1x, and then plus 12. So by looking at the coefficient of x squared is negative, that means it is open downward. And if we sketch the graph, it's open downward. It may be like this, but I don't know is there any x-intercept or where is the line of SF symmetry, something like that. We need more calculation for that, but just look at the statement first. Is that open downward? Yes, it is open downward, so this is correct. Is this pass through the point 110? That means they ask you when x equal to 1, is our result equal to 10? So you may substitute it inside to the original function, or this function as you like. So when x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 3 minus 1. 1 plus 2 plus 6. I prefer the original function, original format, is because sometimes I worry that I make some careless mistake here. So it's 2 times 3 plus 6, we get 12. So it is not 10. That's why this one do not pass through. We have to find the x-intercept and y-intercept. That means we have to consider x-intercept when y is equal to 0. So from this calculation, when y equal to 0, 0 is equal to negative x squared plus x plus 12. To solve this quadratic equation, you may use your calculator or calculate by yourself using cross method. Minus 4 and plus 3. So the x-intercept is 4 or x equal to negative 3. Again, this is wrong. It should be 4 and negative 3, but not negative 2 and 3. So the answer should be 1 only. Furthermore, if the question asks you about the SF symmetry or, for example, like vertex, then you can say x is equal to negative b divided by 2a. It is the sum of roots divided by 2. So in this case, you will get negative 1 over 2 times negative 1. So it's 1 over 2 here. By knowing that the vertex of x coordinate is 1 over 2, then you can substitute it to the function to get the maximum here. That means the y coordinate.